How to use Outlier AI 2025. I'm going to tell you how to use Outlier AI in 2025. Start by signing in to your Outlier AI account and connecting your data sources. These could be a platform like Google Analytics, Shopify, Salesforce, or even raw CSV files. Outlier will automatically start scanning millions of data points to surface hidden trends, outliers, and unexpected shifts, all without you needing to write a single query. In the 2025 version, the dashboard is cleaner and more interactive. You can now customize which KPIs you want to track and let Outlier's AI model continuously watch for sudden changes or slow drifts in performance. The Insight feed shows real time stories, short, and trends you would have missed. You can schedule these to be delivered via email or sync directly into your team Slack. It's especially useful for marketing, sales, product, and operations team who need quick, actionable data.